Speaking of Jeff has a special feature this morning called Going Topless with Jeff Zeke.
That is not the episode. You sent this to me. He wrote that. You sent me the episode or the segment, and I said, that's great. I'll do that. So,
well, see, it says right here, drop tops or how I learned to go topless.
Mike
right
drinks.
There.
He drinks a lot. He sits on the computer. He buys stuff in the middle of the night and all that.
Yeah, he's one of those kind of guys.
Anyways, that's not what it is. It's convertibles under $30,000.
Okay.
There you go.
Don't sound near as much fun.
No, we just lost half of our viewing audience.
There you go, in 28 countries. But here's what we got to start out with. This first one is a 2009 Pontiac Solstice GXP. This rascal can be gathered up for $11,600.
My daughter would die to have one of those.
Well, and you know, there's really nothing wrong with them.
No, there's not.
This is called a GM Kappa convertible, sold in the U.S. as a Saturn Sky in a Pontiac Solstice. It had a 177 horsepower, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. A rare hardtop Solstice is the pricey collectible, but the convertible remains an affordable option. It does bring a solid chassis, sporty handling, and room for some serious rubber under those curvy fenders.
Ooh, and it's convertible. It blows both of your hairs.
Yeah, all three of them. There you go. So the next one we have here is a 1998 Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider GST. This rascal is $12,400. The Eagle Talon, Plymouth Laser, and Mitsubishi Eclipse offered buyers 3 flavors of stylish, affordable sport compact as part of the partnership known as what? Diamond Star Motors, or DSM. Unfortunately for the Plymouth fans, the Laser never made it to the second generation, which lasted from 1994 to 1998. More bad news for the Mopar brand. The Eagle, while available with some of the powertrains as the Mitsubishi, was not offered as a convertible. So the sole drop top is the Eclipse, packing a 210 horsepower, 2-liter turbocharged 4G63 engine.
That was a bad to the bone little car.
Don't know what that means, but there it is. Okay, next on our agenda would be, who's got it? Chevrolet Corvette 2012. This rascal, $22K. The C6 Corvettes are a lot of car for the money, especially the later models. Ditched the 400 horsepower Cathedral Port LS2 for the bump in the displacement and better breathing of the LS3. For those that insist on 3 pedals, Don, the standard Corvette convertible comes in well under the price gap that you get with a Tremec TR6060 6-speed transmission and the 430 horsepower LS3 V8 for a fabulous top-down soundtrack. Now that soundtrack,
I like the way you wrote that.
I didn't write that. It was somebody else wrote that.
I like that car except for the headlights. The headlights on it, particularly like on the yellow one and the white one, things like that, they just don't do it for me.
I know, they don't do it, but it's okay. It's a nice car.
But that's okay, too. And this is a banana yellow, I guess they call it.
I like it.
71 Volkswagen Carmen Ghia. $22,900 for this rascal, despite sharing its underpinnings and powertrain with the VW Beetle. The Type 14 Carmen Ghia managed to look special thanks to its hand-finished body and concept car styling. Enjoy the simple, easy-to-service Beetle drivetrain and ample aftermarket products to keep this curvy cruiser running. I saw one of these in the wild about 10 days ago. It was a little bit rough,
up,
but they were working on it, and it's going to be a nice car. It needed a little TLC and some good hands on it. So the last one we have here for today, this Cruisin' is my favorite. I love this car. It is a 1969 Mercury Cougar XR7, 28.8 from 67 to 68, and it's a good car.
Thank you, sir. Today's In-Wheel Time Car Talk Show is sponsored by the group of original Lupi Tortilla restaurants in Houston, Beaumont, and College Station. Gulf Coast Auto Shield, where we're going to be joining John at the Car Social coming up that you'll be hearing about here in just a moment. And Pro-Am Auto Accessories, we thank them too. We continue right after this quick break.